If you use Binance and haven't secured your account yet, you're putting your crypto at serious risk. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up 2FA and enable an anti-phishing code. Two simple but powerful tools to protect your funds. Every year, millions are lost to crypto scams and phishing attacks. Hackers don't need your password, they just need one click from you. That's why Binance offers extra layers of protection. Let's set them up together. First, let's enable 2FA. Open your Binance app, tap your profile icon at the top left, then go to Security. Here you'll see options like Google Authenticator and SMS authentication. I recommend Google Authenticator for more security. Tap Google Authenticator. Binance will show you a QR code. Scan it with the Google Authenticator app. Make sure to save your backup key somewhere safe. Then, enter the 6-digit code from the app and you're done. Next, let's set up your anti-phishing code. Go back to the security section and tap on Anti-Phishing Code. This code will appear in every official Binance email so you can instantly spot phishing attempts. Choose something unique and easy to recognize like Bin Secure. Save it. From now on, every legit email from Binance will include your code at the top. If it's missing or wrong, delete the email immediately. That's your red flag. A few extra tips. Never share your 2FA codes. Use strong passwords and always double-check the website URL before logging in. Now your Binance account is much safer. If this helped, give it a like and share with a friend. Subscribe for more crypto safety tips and let me know in the comments what security features you use.